Alright guys, so tonight I'm gonna be doing a pepper pot shrimp. So I got all my ingredients here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut everything, prep everything. I got my shrimp clean and ready to go. Stick around for this one, guys. This one's gonna be awesome. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut all my veggies real quick. Guys, while I'm cutting these veggies, make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on all my coming contents. I'm covering culinary in a vast variety, guys. I'm not just doing one aspect of the industry. You're gonna cut up a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. We're gonna keep this for later. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add some minced garlic to this. Minced garlic and some curry powder. That should be enough garlic. Some curry powder. Add some black pepper. Some salt. Some salt. And just rub it in really good. And just let it sit for a while. All right, gentle people, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start our shrimp, our pepper pot. I'm gonna start with some olive oil. I'm using extra virgin. All right, once they get hot, I'm gonna go ahead and add our potatoes, carrots, and our onions. All right, we're gonna let that go a little bit. While that's going, guys, I'm gonna add some curry powder. A little bit of curry powder. I'm gonna go ahead and let that curry do its magic. See everything's starting to get yellow. Add our bell peppers. And we're going to go ahead and add 2 Scotch bonnet pepper, just like that. This is going to be really, really spicy, guys. On the scale of 1 to 10, this is going to be coming in at 10. It's going to be really spicy. Alright. Now, what I usually do is I just go ahead and make some space for my shrimp. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp. About in together. Go ahead and add the tomatoes. Alright guys, at this point now you can go ahead and add the water or your stock. gonna be really, really spicy because I'm adding more chopped Scotch bonnet pepper with the seeds and everything right in there. It's gonna be real spicy, guys. Alright, that's it. Alright guys, for our rice, we're gonna start off with 2 cups of rice. 1, 2. Then we're gonna have 2.5 cups of water. Alright. Around a half a tablespoon of salt. And like 1 tablespoon of butter or a half stick of butter. Depends on how much butter you like. I love butter, so. And you just mix that in really good. Let that simmer on medium heat. We got our plantains going. It's gonna be our sides for this pepper pot shrimp, guys. Alright guys, our rice is coming. We got our plantains right here. Got our pepper pot shrimp.